Her bird died.
What happened, Steph?
I don't even know. She's like 11 years old.
Aww.
Since when have you had her? Since like 8, 9 years ago. Don't even know how old she was when we got her.
Aww.
She's so fluffy.
What are you gonna do with her now?
I'm gonna pet her a little bit because she's so fluffy.
Did she ever let you pet her before?
We're not defeathering her. Whoa, soft. You're not defeathering my bird. I will kill you if you defeather my bird.
Take one off and keep one from her.
Yeah. Oh, I don't want to take one off of her. I'll be scared.
Well, then you should probably put her in the bag now.
I'll be scared as you go and pull one. I'm scared I'm gonna hurt her, even though she's dead. I'm gonna hurt her. I'm scared. Nick, why don't you go find me a shovel? You try to give it to. Just take it on ceiling. Leia.
What are you doing with her? Putting her in a box? A check box? Oh boy.
I don't know how to do that. Okay, here, there. I'm gonna get one to put over her. Oh, don't roll. Please don't roll. Please don't roll. Don't. Oh, shit. Almost fell. That little birdie died. I didn't want her to actually drop dead. What the hell? Leia, you're supposed to outlive every single bird we have.
Well, let's go do this.
Oh, wait.
Nick's swinging the shovel.
So we're burying our bird with some fall leaves, so if we ever find the bird, if we ever dig up the yards for some reason, we'll know she died in fall. Don't know when Han died though.
And we were using Checks Unlimited at the time.
And we put Leia's name on there.
You should put the date.
Oh.
Go get the date. That's where Leia's gonna be.
Oh, there's like something in there. Is it Han? Listen.
Well, it could be a rock, Nick.
Ira. Good worm. You're not going in with my bird. Love you, Leia. Wanna kiss it?
Bye, Leia.
We'll dig you up someday, Leia, and see what you look like in a couple years. Actually, I don't know. I don't want to know what a baby's skeleton looks like, really.
There she is. Steffi.
It's like a grave now.
That was your birdie. Put it away.
Nick, you found it. Go put it back. That's not where it goes.